And the last order type I want to show you here is the recurring investment, and this allows you to automatically invest in a stock or ETF on a routine schedule. So you could set the frequency here for every single market day, every week, every 2 weeks, or every month. So for example, if you wanted to invest in Microsoft every week on Friday, you could choose that, click on continue, and if you wanted to put $1 into Microsoft stock every single week automatically, you could do that through a recurring investment. These recurring investments are great for a strategy called dollar cost averaging, which is where you are automatically investing the same amount on a routine schedule, and this can allow you to pay close to the market average for that stock or fund over a long period of time. So if we take a look at Microsoft, for example, over the last 3 months, we can see how there have been some ups and downs, but overall it has trended upwards over the last 3 months. If you were buying this every single week, sometimes you would buy it when it was up high, sometimes it would be down low, back up high, back down low. And what this would do is help you to pay close to the market average for those shares over time. And this can be especially useful when you're investing in something like an S&P 500 ETF.